हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री चैट। सो आज जो टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दैट इज यूनिट्स ऑफ रेट एंड यूनिट्स ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट। सो फर्स्टली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनिट्स ऑफ रेट। सो व्हाट इज द रेट? वी ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट रेट इज इक्वल्स टू चेंज इन कंसंट्रेशन, चेंज in concentration of reactant per unit time. So this is the rate, or in terms of product we can also write like this: change in concentration of product per unit time. In terms of reactant we are taking here minus sign, in terms of product we are taking here positive sign. So change in concentration of product per unit time. So in general we can write rate is equals to change in concentration, change in concentration divided by time. In general we can write like this. So change in concentration means there is concentration divided by time. So the unit of concentration is, we can take concentration in terms of moles. We can say mole per liter, this molarity, that is moles per liter. Yes, we can also take in terms of normality, molality. So we are taking in terms of molarity in chemical kinetics. Generally we are using moles per liter, that is capital M. Okay, so concentration has a unit this mole per liter. Okay, and time generally we are taking in terms of second. So time in second, or in minute you can also take. So we are taking here second. So the unit of rate is mole per liter per second. So what is the unit of rate? Unit of rate is equals to mole per liter per second. So this is the unit of rate, unit of rate. Okay, now we are talking about the unit of rate constant. Now we are talking about unit of rate constant. So what is our rate constant? Rate constant is denoted by K in rate law expression. So what is rate law expression? So rate is directly proportional to A raised to the power x, B raised to the power y. This is rate law, we already discussed in the last lecture. So rate, this is equals to, here K comes, if we remove this proportional sign, so K, A raised to the power x, B raised to the power y. So now we have to find out the unit of this K. We have to find out the unit of this K. So we have to find out K. K would be equals to rate, this rate divided by this. So A raised to the power x, B raised to the power y. Okay, and we know what is order. Order is equals to x plus y. This is equals to n. This is order. Order is the sum of the power of the molar concentration present in rate law. This is order of a reaction. Now we have to find out the unit of this. So K rate क्या होता है हमारे पास? Rate होता है change in concentration by time. So concentration by time. So this is rate. Now in divide we are having, this is also concentration. This symbol is used for concentration. This is for concentration. So concentration we can write like this: concentration raised to the power n, because x and y. These are the concentration. If base same, so power n x plus y. This is equals to n. So we are writing like this: 1 by concentration raised to the power n. This is the rate, and divide concentration raised to the power n. So concentration raised to the power, here 1 we can say, 1 इसको हम यहां ले जाते हैं, सो कंसंट्रेशन रेज टू द पावर -n डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. सो k दिस इज इक्वल्स टू कंसंट्रेशन रेज टू द पावर 1 - n, बेस सेम, पावर ऐड हो जाती है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, प्लस माइनस माइनस, सो 1 - n डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. So from this equation we can find out the unit of this rate constant, and n is order. So we can also find out, like if we are having some order, so we can find out their unit from this expression. So you have to learn this expression. Now we are finding out the unit of this rate constant for different order. So firstly we are talking about zero order reaction. We are talking about zero order reactions. For zero order reaction n is 0. So we have to put this n here. So k, this is equals to concentration 1 minus 0 divided by time. So this is equals to concentration divided by time. And concentration we are taking in terms of moles per liter. So moles per liter, and this is time in second. Time in second. So the unit is mole per liter per second. So from this question will came how the unit of rate constant is this, moles per liter per second. And from this expression here is writing the unit of rate is also equal, that is mole per liter per second. This is the unit of rate, and this is also unit for rate constant. These are same if we are having zero order reaction. Here order is 0, means the order the rate is independent of the concentration. What is it means? N is 0 means the rate is independent on the concentration. Okay. Now we are having n 1, so we have to put here k is equals to concentration 1 minus 1 divided by time. So 1 minus 1 0 means concentration raised to the power 0 divided by time. So here we are having nothing. So this is 1 by time. So time we are taking in second. So per second we can say. So the unit of rate constant for first order reaction is per second. Now the third is n is equals to 2. So k is equals to concentration divided by time. Here 1 minus n is 2. So 2 divided by, so 1 minus 2, there is minus 1. So concentration raised to the power -1 divided by time. So concentration we are taking in terms of mole per liter. So mole per liter, there is -1 and second. So मोल देयर इज -1, सो पर मोल हो जाएगा ये, पर मोल दिस इज माइनस, सो प्लस हो जाएगा लीटर, एंड दिस इज इन डिवाइड, सो पर सेकेंड. सो दिस इज द यूनिट फॉर रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. So you have to learn this expression, and some question came like this. You have to find out the unit of rate constant for second order. So you have to apply in this expression and find out the unit of rate constant. You can also learn these units, okay, but the simple formula is this. From this you can calculate for every order of reaction, like order you have given, and you can find out the rate, the unit of that rate constant. Okay, now the some question came like that. The unit is given, like this unit is given 1.8 into 10 to power minus 3 per second. This value is given. The rate constant, like the question will came like the rate constant for a given reaction is this. You have to find out the order. So you have to see their unit is given per second. Means that order is 1. Okay. So from this equation you have to find out the order. Now we are talking about molecularity. What is molecularity? So molecularity is basically we are having elementary reaction. From any elementary reaction, if this is converted into product, if reactant is converted into product, so the species that is converted into product, that is molecularity. What is molecularity? Molecularity. So molecularity is basically we are having reactant, these are converted into product. So the species that take part in terms of reactant or these are decomposes. So the term we are using molecularity in elementary reaction. We can here take only elementary reaction for molecularity, means single step reaction, or we can say the rate determining step, they give molecularity. For example, we are having NH4 NO2. Okay, so they form N2 plus H2O 2H2. Okay, so in this we are having only a single reactant and this is decomposes into two products. Okay, so here we are having molecularity at 1. So we are denoted molecularity by small m. So molecularity is 1. Now we can take another example like PCl5. PCl5, this will break into PCl3 plus Cl2. So there we are having a single reactant. So we are taking in terms of reactant. Molecularity we are taking in terms of reactant. How many reactants we are taking? Okay, in rate determining step. So this is elementary reaction. So here molecularity is 1. We can also take another example like N2O5. This will convert into N2O4 plus half O2. So their molecularity is 1 because a single reactant. The molecularity also be 2. How the molecularity is also be 2? We are having H2 plus I2. They form 2HI. So here we are having one molecularity for H2, one molecularity for I2. So molecularity is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so molecularity may be 2 and molecularity also may be 3. For example, we are having NO plus O2. 2NO plus O2, they gives 2NO2. Okay, 2NO plus O2, they gives 2NO2. So here molecularity is, there is 2, there is 1. So 2 plus 1, so molecularity is 3. So maybe molecularity 1, 2 or 3. More than 3 molecularity is not possible. More than 3 molecularity not possible. Not possible. Why? Like we are having 3 molecules like 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 molecules strikes simultaneously. This is not possible. Only 1 or 2 condition may they collide simultaneously, but there are some chances of colliding, but these are rare chances, like 3 molecules are colliding together. 2 molecules collide together, there is a very great chance. Okay, but now 3 molecules they are colliding. This there is a rare chances, and 4 molecules that are colliding together, there is very less chance. That's why the molecularity after 3 is not possible. And molecularity can never be negative. Molecularity can never be negative. Why this is not negative? Because we are having any reactant. We are in starting we are having any reactant, so this will break into product. So in starting we are having something and there is something is present. So that's why this molecularity can never be negative. Okay, now the next point is in molecularity we are taking only elementary reaction. Only elementary reaction, or we can also say rate determining step. Rate, if complex reaction, we cannot consider here complex reaction. So we are taking only elementary reaction, and this can never be negative. This can also never be fractional. Molecularity never be fractional. Okay, because here we are taking 1, we are taking 1, 2. So these molecularity can never be fractional. Like order can be fractional. Now we are talking about the difference between the molecularity and order. Okay. So we are talking about molecularity and order. So molecularity is basically the reactant that are taking part in a chemical reaction, in an elementary reaction. These are molecularity. Okay, the reactant that are decomposes into product in a single step reaction, that is molecularity. And order is the sum of the power of the molar concentration, sum of the power of the molar concentration in rate law expression. Order is x plus y we can represent, and here molecularity, for example, we are taking 2 and I2, H2 plus I2, they form 2HI. So molecularity is 2. Okay, from this we are finding out molecularity, like we are having reactant that is converted into product. Okay, so molecularity is 2. For order of reaction, we are also we can also take complex reaction, or we can also take rate determining step reaction, or we can also take elementary reaction. Elementary reaction or complex reaction. But for molecularity we are taking only elementary reaction. Molecularity can never be negative. Never be negative. But this order can be negative. May be negative. If we are taking like these are the sum of the power of their coefficient. If some power is in negative, like x is 1 and y is minus 2, so order is minus 1. So may be negative. This order may be negative. And molecularity can never be fractional. Never be fractional. And we already know this order is fractional, may be fractional. For example, 1 plus half, so this is 3 by 2. So order may be fractional. So these are the difference between molecularity and order. And this is our today's topic. Today we are finding out the unit of rate constant, and the unit of rate for first order reaction and unit of rate, these are equal. and we are finding out, like if we are having order is given, we can find out their unit. And these are the difference between molecularity and order. Okay, hope this topic is helpful to you. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.